Again. Service ace again. Puntos para sa Dugiging Divas. Our official score is 11. Our 5 points lead na lang. Ito sa substitution from the Titans. Out si Sabilo. In si Avila. Single service lang. Bien, Brion. Service not over. Puntos para sa Titans. Our official score is 6.8 para sa Titans.
Sige, subukan kay Mami. Mami, Isabel
Sabihin sa ating kapitan na Lisette Torres for the Titans.
Yeah. Ew, dirty. Yuck.
Go now, go.
Puntos para sa Titans.
Yeah.
Our official score 18-11. Lamang pa rin ang Titans. Still, the service line. Lisette Torres.
Come here. Down. Go down. Slide. Slide now. Calm down. Don't do like that. Ayo. Stand properly. Aya, it's not like that, okay?
Now, serving Kapitan Lisette Torres for the Titans.
Come here, go up now, go up.
Service now to Jonah. Merit na reach out. Merit na Lisette. Merit na Julian. Si Jonah. Yana.
Ayun,
Jonah.
Mancha eat it, mommy. It's not Mancha eat it, mommy.
Come here, come down.
Puntos para sa Titans. Our official score 20-11 up. Point lead para sa ating Titans. Still in the service line, Kapitana Lisette Torres. Next one.
Yeah, go up now, faster, go. Go. This side, here.
Puntos para sa Titans. Our official score 21-11. 10 points
Come here.
para sa Titans. Habol kayo.
Let's go.
22-11. 11 points. Ang lamang ng the Titans.
Wait. Just go down. Slide. Slide. Come here. Come here.
I'll be the hole.
No, you don't do like that. Down, down.
In the service line, Natalie.
Come down na baby mat. Don't do like that.
Service eight. Pixels para sa the Titans. 1-12. The Titans. In serving, Ado. Over. Puntos para sa Diging Divas. 1-13. The Titans. Now serving, Valdez. Naibalik ni Lisette. Saka. Hindi na nahabol, puntos para sa Titans. Last 13, Titans. Now serving, Sabrina, Tuhela, Juanino. Naibalik ni Lisette. Wala na. Puntos para sa Diging Divas. Our official score, last 13. Robin, ang Dimindivas. In the service line, Kapitana Rich ang Rubio. Ay, balik ko yung set.
Yeah.
Balik ko yung set. And, nag-alangan si Natalie, punto